Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to order on Wolt. So if you also want to order on Wolt, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome, or you can directly open Wolt application in your mobile. If you've opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in wolt.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Wolt. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now you'll be able to see various items over here. Scroll down to see more options. Now all you have to do is click on the item of your choice that you want to order. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Scroll down. Click on the order of your choice. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. If you want to increase the quantity, you can click on the plus option. If you want to decrease the quantity, you can click on the minus option. Now here you'll be able to see the option for add to order. All you have to do is click on it. You can also see the price over here. You can see the final price over here. Now click on the option add to order. Now at top you'll be able to see the option for view order. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your order over here. You can see the option for go to checkout. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the price over here. You can also choose between delivery and pickup. In both of the options you'll have to select a location. Here you can also enter the pickup time. You can use the standard time or you can also schedule it. You can also add more items. You can also choose a payment method. If you have any code, you can use that code over here. After that, you'll be able to place an order. You will see the option for placing an order over here. But since my number is not verified, I'm not being able to see that option. After that, your order will be placed. So that is how you order on Wolt. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.